this is Parna here. Welcome to my channel Parnaz Creations. Hope all of you are doing great. Today I am super excited because this is my first haul on my YouTube channel. Now let's get started. Today's first haul is quilling strip. This is from Quillon. I have many shades like mango orange, baby pink, tones of pink and snowflakes white, then tones of brown. All of them are 5 mm except the tones of pink that's of 10 mm quilling strip. You can see the paper thickness. Second haul, and the first one is tweezer, then the quilling template, quilling needle, these are used for quilling the strip, and then crimper machine, then cutter, pincher, border buddies, they are made up of plastic, you can get in any shape, then the quilling comb, then the quilling mold. You can see there are many numbers like ABC and their shapes are specific. Now the third one is of crystal. These are very beautiful and pretty one. This is my favorite. They are used in any sort of decoration. Basically I use it in making earrings. Comes in the thread set. They are used for making silk thread earring. They are available in any color. I specifically brought from Goel. Then the foam sheet. The foam sheet you can easily get in the market, or if you not get, then you can buy it from Amazon. There are many colors. Next is a moth pot. I use moth pot to get the finishing touch in my earrings and the other quilling tools. This big box have many things on it. First of all, there is ear hook, then head pins, then eye pins, then jump rings. You can get it Amazon. The next one is in pretty little box, that is silver tassel cap for making tassel earring. You can easily get in online. Favorite part, that is the chain, colorful chains for decorating anything. I especially decorate it for earrings. It consists so many colors like pink, you can see pink, green and red color on it, and there is a small packet of blue color. Now the golden chain, the gold chain for decorating earrings. There are two types of gold chain. This is of diamond. It consists small diamond shapes. Now it's come for paper puncher. I brought it from Amazon, or you can buy it in any local market. Now the last one is fabric glue. I brought it from Amazon and each one consists 35 rupees. The full box contains 10 fabric glue. It's very useful. So that's for today's. Follow me on Instagram at @Parnaz Creations for more such videos and subscribe to my channel. You will like my videos. If you like it, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel.